Hi guys, I will now be teaching you on how to pre-register on Miggster. Pre-registration is now live. Okay, so go to your Google browser. Click the link in the description below, like this. Okay. Once you are in the page, you can play this short video clip or you can proceed on the registration. Click the register now button. Now scroll down. To know more all about the Miggster, you can play this button or you can proceed in the form below. Fill up your details from your email, username, first name, last name, password. Check these two boxes. Okay, so let's try it. Then we click the register now. After the successful registration, you can see this page. And you can watch this short clip. Read these details below. Click continue. Now you can find your invitation link. The more you invite, the more level you progress. Okay? You can check your level here. You can view the leaderboard and check the invite links in different more languages. View the price table, the qualification levels, and so on. Take note guys, the official launch of the Miggster is on November 14, 2020. So, pre-register now, click the link below.